Look at this. Rising from sunny Addis. Oh my goodness, so today I just wanted to show you what our usual little walk is at the start of the day, just to get some juice. This is just a normal road that has had so much work's being done. So it's on my last video I showed you, which was very small compared to how much work is being done right now. It is mental. You're walking with excavators and everything like that. So we're just trying to get to London Cafe, and we can't actually cross here, so we'll have to keep walking. But it's a mad walk, a very short walk, but really mad because of the huge amounts of like digging and work that's being done, and the cars and the people, everything that's going on at the same time. So I'm with my two kids, and we are making the sacrifice of doing this walk just so that we can get our lovely juice from London Cafe and our jajafsa, which is worth it. So yeah, that's why I brought you with me today. You see that? Uh-oh. Come this way, cars coming. Okay, you wait here, she? Yeah, we're going there. So we're gonna have to cross right on top of the road here. Yes, but we have to cross. Let's see how we're going to cross. Let's cross this way. Let's cross this way. No taxi. Oh my goodness, we made it. Okay, so we've been making this walk, which seems to be getting crazier and crazier by the day. Yes, so let's cross the road though, okay? And I thought, you know what, let me show you, because my first video on Edna Mall, I thought that was huge work that was being done, but this is X10, 10 times more. So, okay, let's cross here. Let's cross here. Yes, up. Yay. Okay, this is us if you see us in the reflection. This is how we've been making this walk. Okay. Okay. Come this. That. Huh? ጫማ አይ አትጥረግለት ሌላ ጊዜ እሺ አንተ እኔ ገንዘቡ ብሰጥ ይሻላል ምክንያቱም ብትጠርግለት አይገባውማ ለምን እንደጠረክለት ተው እሱ ኦኬ ስንመለስ ወይ ከቁርስ በኋላ እሺ ከገባን በኋላ ታጸዳለታለህ እሺ አመሰግናለሁ. So if you want to see the walk that I'm talking about, which is pretty long, it's all the way at the end of all the way at the end there. That's where we started the walk. So no, it's not easy. Look at all the works, it's not easy. But my son is getting stronger walking, doing all this, because he's navigating a lot of things. Come, up, there we go. Now this is going to be a tough one, so I'll film after I've crossed this. Okay. You okay? Oh, thank you. ይበልጣል. Okay. All right. Woo. Goodbye. Okay, slowly, slowly. Okay, Gomez, you okay? Always okay. Come this way. Okay, cross up, up. No. Oh, ይብላና እንመጣለን። እሺ ወንድሜ፣ ስም ማን ነው እንደገና? ኤፍሬም። ደህና ነህ? በቃ ከዚህ ነው። እሺ፣ ከዛ በኋላ ሲወጣ። እሺ፣ እሺ። ዘግተዋል እንዴ? ኧረ እባክህ በመንገዱ ምክንያት ነው ይሄ ሁሉ። It's closed. It's closed. ይሄ ሁሉ ተራምደን የት ጋር? ትንሽ ይርቃላ። ይርቃላ። እውነት በጀርባ እውነትህን ነው። ቅርብ ነው አይደል? እሺ ኤፍሬም ና ይዘን ሂድ። ሩቅ ነው የመጣ ነው እባክህ፣ ሩቅ ነው። ከዛ በእግር ለንደን ፈልገን። ትላንት ግን ክፍት ነበረ። ኦኬ በዚህ ጋር ሂጂ አለኝ። ቅርብ ነው አይደል? ከ5 ደቂቃ ያክላል። 5 ደቂቃ ይሞላል። እሺ እሺ ኤፍሬም እየረዳን ነው። ኦኬ ቅዱስ Yes, look at the children play. Look at this one. That's nice. We eat and we come back? Yes, we eat ጨጨብሳ and we come back, okay? እሺ እሺ ስንመለሳ ከዛስ በኋላ ኤፍሬም ና እቺ ስጠኝ። It's okay, baby. ሰላም ደህና ነኝ አለሁልሽ። እሺ አመሰግናለሁ። ከዛስ ኤፍሬም በዚህ እዛ እንግባ። እሺ እንዴት እገባለሁ ታዲያ? በዚህ ቀጥታ ወደ ላይ። እሺ አመሰግናለሁ። አንተ አትገባም ማለት ነው? በዚህ በኋላ ውስጥ ትመጣለህ? ና እሺ እሺ አመሰግናለሁ። ውይ ከኔ ጋር ነው ግን እሺ እሺ It's okay, okay? We're going to have chapsa and we're going to have juice. Yeah. Let me fix my bag, okay? There we go. There we go. Not good to see car. እሺ አመሰግናለሁ ኤፍሬም። አዲስ መንገድ አስተማርከኝ። ከሁለት ቀን በፊት ይሄ መሬት እኮ አልተሰራም። አይገርምም? እሺ ቁርስ ልግዛልህ? ምንድን ነው የሚሻልህ? ሄደህ ትበላለህ? እሺ Be careful. Let me see. Look at all the dust. We're covered in dust. So after all that walking, this branch of London Cafe doesn't do chachapsa. So we had juice. We had really good papaya and mango juice. The juice was wonderful, no complaints. But I can't believe they don't do food there. So, but one amazing thing though. Look at this road. I couldn't walk on this like 2 days ago because it was completely not walkable, and now we can. You see the difference? How quickly they're doing everything. Right over here now. This didn't exist like 2 days ago. Now we can walk on it, and I was able to go and buy my olive oil from a supermarket that was blocked off because 2 days ago you could not walk on it. But yeah, so that's what's happening right now. We've not been able to get any chachapsa, but we're covered in dust and we've tried. Oop. Huh? We'll find, okay? We'll find chachapsa. Oh my goodness. Up. There we go. My 3-year-old boy is doing so well navigating this walk. He is going to be stronger. But we have totally not been able to find our favorite chachapsa from London Cafe today because the one that does the food is blocked. Let's see, mirror. This is us. This is how we're walking. Oh my goodness. Up. There we go. Maybe we'll go to this mall. Yeah, maybe we'll go to this mall. Maybe there'll be food in there. ikut taksi? Get this, don't fall. We're really out here, aren't we? Oh my gosh. Wait. Come. I don't know how we're going to cross that over there. I hope he's going to stop. Okay. That was simple enough. Oh my goodness, no way. Okay. Idris, we're going to have to be quick, okay? Quickly, quickly, before he does another one. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick. Quick, quick. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, good work. Come, get to see. Oh my goodness, we did it. We did it before he picked another load of stuff. Oh my goodness. Health and safety officers, eat your heart out. Eat your heart out. How we're actually moving about at this time. Huh? Huh? Chachapsa? Let me see if they do chachapsa here. But we need to cross here now. So let's come this way. Let's come this way. ሙሉ ጠዋት ጨጨብሳ እየፈለግን ነበር።
እኛን ሰራ ነበር።
ቅዱሲ we found ጨጨብሳ. Yay! ጨጨብሳ. Right back to where? እሺ አዎ አንድ ከሻይ ጋርና ሙዝ ጁስ አላችሁ? ሙዝ ብቻ። ኦ ለቅዱስ ያለ ስኳር። ለኔ ደግሞ watermelon ያለ ስኳር። በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። Yes, our chachapsa is here. I've got my watermelon juice and he has his banana juice. And so